Hello. How to distress stained wood. Distressing is a common way to take a contemporary wood product, such as a piece of furniture, trim or a door, and make the surface look scarred and antiqued. Regardless of whether you are distressing wood flooring, chairs, tables, beams or something else, the process is exactly the same. Distressing is done using nothing more than everyday tools found in most houses, which means you can save money buying antique furniture and instead create your own whenever you have spare time. Instructions. Things you'll need: hand axe or hatchet, heavy chain, smooth head hammer, rough sandpaper, striking board with a few nail or screw tips sticking out of the end, buffing machine. 1. Inspect other distressed projects before you attempt your own to get an idea of the level of distressing you want. Look closely at the details and, if possible, ask how a particular type of distressing was done, since different tools leave different marks on the wood surface. Finally, test a section of stained wood, preferably a scrap piece of wood, with the various tools to see which tool's marks you prefer. 2. Scrub the surface with a piece of sandpaper in the direction of the wood grain to create a scuffed look. Lighter sandings will leave lighter scuffs. Strike the surface with a hammer to create dents, with varying depths depending on how hard you strike the surface. Use a short piece of heavy chain to create multiple impact marks at the same time. Avoid striking too hard as you are looking for distressed dents, not actual damage to the wood. 3. Achieve deep cuts with a hand axe or hatchet, or you can strike the surface with your striking board, allowing the nails or screw heads to bite into the wood. In addition, you can experiment with the various tools to create marks of your own preference, scratching, dragging or otherwise impacting the surface to visibly mark it in some way and create the illusion of damage over time. 4. Polish the surface of the wood around the distressed marks with a piece of sandpaper or use a buffing machine to smooth out all the rough edges around the distressed wood. This will create the illusion of the distressing having been performed over time, with the edges smoothed over time. If preferred, add a layer of stain afterward, or leave the distressed areas visible as if they have actually occurred over time. Thanks for watching.